In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Notion template with Chatgpt. To begin, open Notion and go to your home page. This is the main hub where you can access your pages and create new ones. So it is a good place to start when you are building a template you plan to reuse. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in, and you can see your workspace in the left sidebar. Next, switch over to Chatgpt in your browser. In your chat, click the prompt or option that says, Create a Notion template for budgeting. This is where you are telling Chatgpt exactly what kind of Notion template you want. Being specific helps because Chatgpt will generate a structure that matches your goal. In this case, the goal is a budgeting setup, so the template should focus on tracking income, expenses, and summaries. After you select that prompt, look for the generated result titled Personal Budget Dashboard Notion Template, and click it. This opens the template content that Chatgpt created, and it is usually formatted in a way you can review and reuse. As you read through it, focus on the main sections and how they fit together, such as dashboards, tables, categories, and any suggested views. This is your chance to confirm the template matches what you need before you copy anything into Notion. Now click and drag to highlight the template content. Highlighting is important because it lets you capture the full structure in one go, including headings and any database-style layouts written out in text. Make sure your highlight includes everything you want to transfer, from the title down through the full template details. If you miss a section, your final template in Notion may feel incomplete, so take your time and double-check the selection. Once you have it highlighted, you are ready for the next action outside this clip, which is typically copying and bringing it into Notion. For now, the key is that you have Notion open on Home. You have generated the budgeting template in Chatgpt. You have opened the full personal budget dashboard output, and you have highlighted the content so it is ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.